How to change theme in Pocket Option application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In order to change the theme in Pocket Option, first of all, launch open the Pocket Option app on your device. Whichever device you are using, it can be an Android tablet, it can be a smartphone, or whatever device you have. Once you do that, make sure that you're also logged into your Pocket Option account. After you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile avatar. And then click on Settings from the menu on the left. Inside the Settings menu, look for Theme and tap on it. You'll then be able to see the blue theme and the light theme option. Just go ahead and switch between them by tapping on them. If you select light theme, you'll see a white background on your display. If you select blue theme, you'll see the dark mode activated. Just make a selection according to your preference. You can also enable the background image option, upload your own custom background, or if you don't want to do that, just leave it unchecked. And that's how you change your theme in Pocket Option application. Dark modes are easier on the eyes at night, very popular with traders. And the light mode is clean and bright, as you can see it on the page. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.